Assalamu alaikum, this is Bحریہ انکلیو. I'm Mumtaz Khan. My phone number is 0337-981-5894. You can contact me if you want to invest in Pakistan in Bحریہ انکلیو. You can come here, visit here, you can stay here for some time, for 2 weeks, 1 week or a month. Make your investment, meet different estate agents, go to Bحریہ انکلیو office. This is high-rise commercial. This is your future. You can make your own university, your schools, your colleges. You can invest in Pakistan. There's also a business, and you can just introduce new courses of engineering, IT. So Pakistan will make progress in all the fields, as it is making progress in all the fields. Pakistanis are brilliant, brave, hospitable. You need Pakistan and Pakistan needs you. Sector N, Bحریہ انکلیو.